Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable automating bill pay with Capital One easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable automated bill pay with Capital One, start by logging into your Capital One account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on Enroll. Once logged in, navigate to the Payments section in the main menu. Select AutoPay from the options available. Next, choose the account from which you want to set up automated bill payments. Select Set up AutoPay. You will now see a list of bills you can automate. Choose the bills you want to pay automatically. Input the payment amount for each bill, if necessary. Select your payment due date. Make sure to review the details of your AutoPay setup carefully. Once everything looks correct, click on the Confirm or Save button to finalize your settings. You will receive a confirmation of your AutoPay setup. Keep an eye on your email for any notifications regarding your scheduled payments. To make changes, return to the AutoPay section in the Payments menu. You can adjust payment amounts, due dates, or cancel AutoPay at any time. Routinely check your account to ensure your bills are being paid as scheduled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.